Jai Jhulelal. Let's talk about Tijri traditions and rituals. Tijri falls on the third day after the full moon of the Shravan month. That's exactly 3 days after Raksha Bandhan, and it's celebrated in most of the Sindhi families worldwide. On this day, most of the Sindhi women they fast from the sunrise till the moonrise. At around 4 a.m., whoever wishes to fast must wake up and have something to eat. You can either have a lola, koki, chai toast, full cast, whatever you like. You can also have fruits so that you can sustain the foodless day ahead. This ritual is known as Asur. Post Asur, you can go back to sleep. The idea is to have something before the sunrise. Then comes the Tijri plant, which is also known as Tijri Mata. On the day of Ekadashi, which is almost a week before Tijri, you should soak some moong seeds for about an hour, sow them in a pot covered by soil, and let it grow for good 7 days. You should keep watering it regularly till the plant is fully grown to be worshipped. And when the plant sprouts, that is when your Tijri Mata is ready. It is also a symbol of fertility. Then comes the temple visit. So after taking your bath, you either go to the nearest temple or a tikana or any Lal Sai Mandir in your area. Women offer water mixed with a little sugar, which is also known as mitho pani, to the Tijri Mata. Once you are done with the puja, you can go back home. You can have your little tea, coffee, or some fruits. The elderly women in the house or the young girls who are fasting, they usually prefer to have some fruits as they can't really fast the whole day. Then is Mehendi, which is usually very exciting amongst the women. The idea is to pass some time, socialize together, and spend some time with your friends and family. But these days, women usually apply Mehendi few days prior as almost everybody is working and there's a lot of rush, to be honest, when you are going to apply Mehendi. Mehendi usually helps you to cool down, relieving stress. Then is Katha. In the evening, women do their shringar and get ready wearing red or yellow outfits, which is the symbol of prosperity and happiness. Some women usually carry a diya made of atta. The Katha is repeated number of times by the Brahmani so that every batch of women worshippers can hear it. Generally, women carry atta, which is the kacho atto, fruits, cash, and some mithai to offer to the Brahmani. They offer a full cucumber, which is the dark green cucumber, to the Brahmani. She cuts it into half. She keeps one half of the piece and the other half she gives it back to you as prasad so that you can offer that as arg. So the next point is arg. Take some cooked rice, milk, sugar, and add the pieces of cucumber in that. Once the moon rises, do a little chanda 3 times to the moon. That is, sprinkle the milk to the moon 3 times, light a diya and agarbatti and say a little prayer, and then you can break your fast. I hope this was helpful. Happy Tijri and Jai Jhulelal.